Today we're in the Crimea Autonomous Republic in Sovietsky region in the fields of seed farming, cultivating seeds of corn, grain, sunflower, soybean and sugar beet. In their fields, the seed farming carries out the trials of different resource-saving systems as no-till and strip-till, adapting them to the hot climate, low level of rainfalls and strong prairie wind that takes away millions of tons of soil layers. Thus, in such climate conditions, it is really well to cultivate seeds of sugar beet, father trees of which are located in the seed farming Tavria seeds. One of the leading Belgian sugar beet seed suppliers on the world market, Cés van der Have, cultivates beet seeds. Cultivated seeds from the Crimea Republic this year have the best sowing conditions in comparison with the seeds in different countries and even continents. Cés van der Have seeds father trees of sugar beet in accordance with the technology of strip-till. In compliance with the technology, father trees are seeded in August. In this period, the air temperature in the Crimea reaches 40 degrees plus, that is why it is very important to prevent the loss of moisture in the soil while the main processing. That is why the chisel-type cultivator Horseman with the working rack was purchased. One more important reason why they started to use the technology of strip-till. This is the late period of sowing, minimum 10 days if you are applying technology of no-till, and it means that the weak plants will have to fight with the heat and to follow after the early sowings of neighboring ones in the growth. Strip-till as the technology for the Crimea proved itself very well, but there were some drawbacks in the appliance of chisel-type working rack. First, the increased loss of moisture in the band. Second, the poor quality of soil treatment, and as a result we didn't get quality seedbed. Third, cracks in the sowing band slotted by the working bar that are formed at higher temperatures. Fourth, the low speed of soil preparation. Thus, at the increasing of speed, clods of soil are being scattered outside the lane, in the aisles, and when the sun comes out, they turn to stone. At the exhibition Interogra 2013, we agreed with the seed producer company Cés van der Have to carry out the trials of Pluribus strip-till sections from the European dealer company Agroterra and the American producer Dawn in the fields of the seed farming Tavria seeds. We installed the rack of Pluribus strip-till on the cultivator Horseman, connecting pipelines supplying fertilizers, one storing in the band and the other for the band treatment. For the installation of the section, we had to make the holders out of the channel because the height of the frame quadrant from the ground level of Pluribus strip-till in the working condition should correspond to 50 centimeters. The unit began to cultivate the field after the harvested sunflower. It passed 50 meters from the edge of the field, and the working rack of cultivator Horseman became blocked and made heaps of crop residues. After the cleaning, the unit passed 100 meters and then again was blocked. The cleaning turned out to be not so easy task. Machine operators took off each pair of bulldozing discs, knocking them out of the compacted soil. So it is necessary to clean all 11 bulldozing discs. At 600 meters, the length of the run, the cultivator was blocked 3 or 4 times. We had no problems with the Pluribus strip-till section. The section processed its strip within the parameters specified when setting the section. The only missing thing with Pluribus strip-till was the speed. For the reason of constantly clogged up Horseman unit that was processing field with a snail's pace, it was decided to take off all bulldozing discs, clearing up crop residues. The given operation didn't lead to the expected results. The unit didn't stop to be blocked all the time and to make a heap of crop residues. The Pluribus strip-till section, the last to the right, worked in accordance with the technological scheme set at the beginning without any blockage, processing the soil at the fixed depth. It was getting dark and we didn't reach the purpose of the tests. We decided to completely lift the Horseman cultivator rack, leaving one rack for the alignment of resistance at the left. Pluribus strip-till section with the pressure in the hydraulic cushion 8 atmosphere at the speed of the tractor 15 km per hour showed its capabilities in handling even such heavy soils. Let's summarize the results of our tests. Pluribus strip-till section works well, coping with the most severe conditions. Firstly, the hardness of the soil and its condition doesn't affect the processing of soil by Pluribus strip-till section. Secondly, horseman unit operates at very low speed and for 2 days of work the unit made only 6 passes in the field. Third, all participants of trials saw how well the Pluribus strip-till section worked. It wasn't clogged and worked well at any speed unit. This we cannot say about the unit with horsemen working chisel racks. The agricultural project Technology for the Winners is definitely for you. The European dealer company Agroterra and the American producer Dawn presented the tests of Pluribus strip-till section for the producer of sugar beet seeds company Cés van der Have and the seed farming Tavria Seeds. If you are ready for the testing of new technologies in your field, please visit our website www.striptillur.com. In the following video, we will review the technological work scheme of Pluribus strip-till section.